Good morning. Welcome to the first video in what I hope is a series of videos about our trip to India in 2023. This is a trial video just to test out my equipment, but also just to look at how I'm packing for the trip. So here on the spare bed, we have my electronic bits and pieces, the GoPro and some devices to allow me to share files and some spare cables and batteries and things. Over here I have the documents that I'll need for the trip, just some snacks in yellow containers, some glasses. Here in my helmet, which I'm going to carry in this backpack, and in the helmet I have a change of clothes in my summer gloves. In the backpack I also have two spare batteries, one for my CPAP machine and one for the electric devices in case we need to recharge away from power, and a spare Sloppy Joe. Here in my travel bag I have my motorcycle jacket, which sometimes I'll have to carry with me on the plane, but for the Singapore leg I think I can fit it in here. Here in this little pack I have 4 t-shirts, a long sleeve thermal Sloppy Joe and a pair of thongs. Here in this pack I have a pair of riding jeans, a pair of denim jeans and a pair of shorts. Here's my CPAP machine. There are my riding boots, and within them I've just got some socks and things. There's underwear, there's my winter gloves and toiletries in there, and my wet weather pants. So that's how I intend to pack. Currently I'm at about 16 kg for that and about 8 kg for that. So we'll see if it's the same when I actually fly out next week on Thursday.